Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I wanted to share what a candy kid would look like in the mid 90s, late 90s, 2000s, early 2000s. And I'm going to talk about, well here, I'm just going to get into it. Okay, we'll start with this guy. So, everything would be minimal because Candy was just starting out, so this would be like a mid. You could see both of these in the 2000s, but this would probably be the late 90s, mid 90s. So we have a visor, only a couple clips because they were probably hard to find. You would have to win them at an arcade. That's the only place I could find them back then. And then some of these diffraction glasses or fireworks glasses. One necklace, either a whistle or a pacifier. And then, oh, I should talk about a shirt. Adidas was really big back then. It has stripes. And then for the candy, only maybe 2 or 3 on each arm. And then fat pants, fat jeans. So this is a look you would see at the beginning. Okay, and then this is more later, like 2000s. So we started getting creative with the hat clips, use different kinds, and you would add more. And I want to talk about this haircut. So not everyone had it, but this A-line bob was popular. Also, colored wigs were. I don't remember seeing like rainbow, but more just like one solid color. People wore wigs. Also, before face gems were popular, we used little girls' earrings. And then you would see probably 2 necklaces, a choker, and a pacifier or a whistle. And then for the candy, it would just be a few pieces, 4 or 5. Like it really wasn't, you didn't wear a lot of candy like you do now. Then you would also see people wearing these UFO pants. So I'm going to back up so you can see both together. But yeah, so late 90s and 2000s. That's what you would see. Oh, and the cute, I forgot to talk about her top. Like a cute cartoon top. And I have a cheat code for you guys. If you want cute cartoon tops, but like a crop top, if you go to the kids section and buy like, a large t-shirt on an adult, it'll turn into a crop top. And that was pretty popular then too. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that little history, and I plan on doing more of these, so I hope you guys like them, and stay tuned.